Fox 35 News Edge at 6 starts now.
From the side of a rocket to your kitchen, how a simple foam made right here in Central Florida can make your appliances more efficient.
Well, new tonight, from outer space to your kitchen, an Orlando company is creating something that you can find out of this world.
And it could change how appliances and even rockets are built. Fox 35's Esther Bauer takes us inside the lab to see how it works.
From outer space to inside your oven, take a look at this material. You can find it in your appliances or on a rocket, and it's being made right here in Central Florida. Orlando-based company XMAT is releasing a game-changing product. X-Foam is a high-strength ceramic foam material that can handle high temperatures and heavy weights.
Very small pieces of it are able to hold up these concrete blocks without crushing or cracking.
The polymer-derived ceramic resin is created from scratch inside a lab at the University of Central Florida.
Through a special patented process, we turn it into a ceramic foam. And that ceramic foam then is ready to be used.
The director of commercialization, Josh McConkey, says this low-cost material has the potential to redefine insulation.
One of the very exciting things about this is that it does not retain heat. This stuff can cool down extremely fast. My thumb is still on exactly where it was glowing just a few seconds before.
The company says this could create appliances that work more efficiently and take up less space.
If you were to make an oven out of this stuff as the actual insulation material, you can make the oven smaller because you can make this thinner. It'd be much lighter, able to be a big oven you could pick up.
XMAT is no stranger to these innovative products. It's a division of SEM Plastics that has had several partnerships with NASA, Space Florida, and the Department of Energy. This new product will continue that partnership by helping with aerospace engineering. It can be used as heat shields to protect a rocket during launch and re-entry to Earth's atmosphere.
Unlike those space tiles, they're light and strong and stiff, and we can make them very easily.
Reporting in Orlando, Esther Bauer, Fox 35 News.